Welcome to EMS. In this video we are going to show you the media manager. So here if you see, this is the media manager. Here you can see there are no files, so you can add files, photos or uh, files, whatever you want to add. You can just give us a title. I will give a title ABC and I will choose a file and submit. Now you can see the file here. If I want to add a YouTube video, so the title, if I go to my YouTube channels, and if I want to upload this video, I will just select, copy the name, welcome to EMS, and we'll just add the name here in the video title, and I will select the link to paste here and submit. Now you can see the video has been added here. If you click on this, you will be able to watch and run the video here inside your software. So all the files or videos can be uploaded to your media manager in this way. Thank you very much for watching.